with Ronel and Nicolene.
Yeah, let's hope you can join us. So, today's question.
It is all about dining room. How do you style your dining room without replacing your furniture? And this question comes from the lovely Laura.
Yeah. So, Laura, thank you very much for your question. And we've encountered this so many times. I think the biggest thing that you can do on a tight budget is actually invest in a good tablecloth. Nice, clean, crisp tablecloth, maybe a bright white or a light creamy color, or even light gray might work. I like the white, they just really display nice. Just put that over.
I mean, if you're not a tablecloth person, me personally, and your table is in a good condition, then consider getting a runner that goes across your table.
Yeah, so if there's no scratches, it's in good nick, that's a very good option. And then just put maybe some flowers or something on top in a vase on the table runner, just for some interest. Stay away from very bright color flowers unless that's the dominant color in your home. Lots of green leaves, anything nice and green. Soft white flowers is good. Aroma will be nice from them. And your chairs, if you have a rectangular table, we always recommend moving the head chairs, and maybe if they can fit into the sides, push them in there. Otherwise, just store them in the garage.
Yes. So this is when styling for sale.
Yes.
Okay. So, otherwise, if it's your own dining room table, then, go for gold. Another option is to bring in maybe some ambient lighting through a lovely floor lamp, so you can really get some great options without breaking the bank again, and it just creates that beautiful scents and tones on your walls.
And I know your table is always a big centerpiece in the dining room, though it's not always your focal point. So stand at the entrance of your dining room, the wall that you're going to see first, that's your focal point. So dress it with beautiful artwork. If it's maybe a window looking out to the garden, make sure the garden is beautiful. Open those window treatments so you can actually see the garden. Maybe beautiful mirror. So that opposite wall you can really dress as a focal point. Make it dramatic, or even paint the wall.
Yeah. And then also chairs, if your chairs aren't in a great condition and you don't have money to replace them, then think about investing in some chair covers in a neutral color, and make sure that you iron them if it needs to be ironed before photo day.
Yeah. So there's a couple of options. We hope that helped.
Yeah. Have fun.
Bye. Thanks for joining our Q&A Mondays. We really hope you've learned something.
I mean, we're super passionate about helping people with any questions that they might have regarding styling for sale or decorating their own homes, themselves, DIY styling.
So post your questions below or email us at info@homeimprovementtraining.com, and we'll be so happy to answer any questions you have.
That's right. Looking forward to it.
See you soon.
Bye.